Hey guys, welcome back to Mixed. My name is Sam, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a really easy, really fast hairstyle with beads on Lillian. So as usual, I always start with spraying her hair with water, and now I'm adding a little bit of oil to massage into her scalp. This is not a necessary step, but I wanted to do it today. So I'm going to make a part from ear to ear, going across the top of her head. And I swear getting a straight part can be the hardest part of styling hair. And today, I don't know why her hair just wasn't trying to part for me. And sometimes I edit that out, but I want you guys to see what's real. So I'm struggling with this part, but I will get it together. And then I will section off the back portion of her hair so that I can work with the front. And in the front, I'm going to make a V part in the front middle of her hair. And these are going to be my little braids that I'll add beads to, which really just pulls this whole look together. But I'm not going to work with them now, so I'm going to tie them off and then work with the rest of her hair until I'm ready for that. So I said this is a super easy style, and it really is. I'm just going to make a ponytail here, and I will add a little bit more water and then add some of my As I Am leave-in conditioner to her hair before I pull it back into the ponytail, and then secure it with an elastic. And now for the back of her hair, I'm just gonna do the same thing. Some water, some leave-in conditioner, and brush it back into a ponytail. But I'm going to add the hair from the top ponytail into that back ponytail. And I'm going to actually flip her curls up to make a little bun rather than just leaving that ponytail loose. So I'm just kind of twisting the hair to add it. You could braid the hair, you could just pull it back and add it, whatever looks good or whatever you want to do for that day. So you see I just kind of flipped the hair up and didn't pull that last ponytail all the way through to create a little bit of a bun and showcase her curls. Next, I'm going to take that front section of hair and split it in half straight down the middle. These are going to be my two braids that I'm going to add the beads to. So I'm going to clip off half of it while I make this first braid. I'm just going to braid it down to the bottom. As you can see, I braid underhand, so the hair goes under when I braid. If you braid overhand, it doesn't matter for this style, just however you want to braid the hair. You could even do a 2-strand twist if you don't know how to braid. Now, if you watched my other video, you saw that my beading tool broke. So I'm going to just use some edge control to make the ends of her hair easy to bead. And then I'm gonna thread my beads on. And when I get to the last bead, I will flip up the end of her hair over the bead and secure it with a rubber band to hold the bead in place. And that bead will hold the rest of the beads in place. And I'm gonna just slow it down for you now so you can see. I will take that hair, thread the last bead, and then bend that last portion of hair up over the bead and secure it with a rubber band, holding that last bead in place and therefore holding the other beads in place as well. So finally, I'm going to just lay down her edges. You can see Lillian's getting sleepy having her hair done, so I'm going to try to make this last part quick. I just used my Curls brand Edge Curls Control Paste, I believe it's called, and my Cameron's BFF's Edge Brush, and I'm just going to lay down her edges. And this will be our final look. This was so easy. You could even just do one ponytail or however you want to do it, but adding the little braids with beads in the front makes this style look great. Lillian loved it. I got lots of compliments, and I hope you guys love it too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we can't wait to see you next time. Bye, guys.